Stop scrolling for 10 seconds. If you can say your future dream in English, you're already ahead of most learners.
And if you can't yet, perfect. This episode will give you the exact sentences to use.
Hello, and welcome back to Anta English. I'm Anta. On this channel, we practice real, everyday English in a calm and simple way.
If that sounds helpful, please subscribe and like this video.
So David, how are you feeling today?
I'm doing really well, Anta. Thank you. I feel focused today, like my brain is finally awake. How about you?
I'm fantastic. I just finished updating my future goals notes on my phone, so I feel motivated and a little bit ambitious.
Oh, that's great. I need to do that too. Actually, that reminds me. Today we're going to talk about something very important and very practical, but also very personal.
Yes, we are. Today we're talking about future dreams, your hopes, your plans, and the life you want to create.
It really is an important topic. Everyone needs to talk about dreams sometimes, right? With friends, family, classmates, or even in a job interview.
Exactly. And dream conversations can be difficult, especially in English. But we're going to make it easy for you. So, let's start with a simple question. David, do you have a future dream?
Yes, I do. I try to be realistic, but I do have dreams. What about you, Anta?
I do too. And the nice thing is, you don't need fancy English to talk about your dream. You just need simple, clear sentences.
Okay, then let's start with the basic sentence pattern. What's the easiest way?
The easiest way is, my dream is to.
My dream is to speak English confidently with people from different countries.
Perfect. Clear, natural, and very common in real conversations.
And your turn. What is your dream?
My dream is to build a strong learning community where people feel safe practicing English every day.
That's a great dream. It's not just about you. It's about helping others too.
Thank you. Now let's make this topic even easier. We can talk about dreams in categories, just like topics in daily life.
Yes, because some people only think dreams mean big, famous dreams. But that's not true.
Exactly. Some dreams are small, some are big, and both are valid. So, let's talk about different types of future dreams.
First type, dream job. That's very common. Anta, what is your dream job?
My dream job is to create lessons, stories, and conversations that make English easy and enjoyable for learners.
Nice. My dream job is to work in a creative environment, maybe media, design, or something where I can build projects and keep learning.
Great. Second type, dream skill. A skill dream is something you want to learn or improve.
Like playing an instrument, cooking, speaking fluently, or even being more confident.
Exactly. David, what skill do you dream of having?
I dream of speaking smoothly, without stopping to translate in my head every 5 seconds.
That is extremely relatable. Many learners feel that. My skill dream is to become a better storyteller in English, so I can teach more naturally.
Third type, dream travel. Where do you dream of going in the future?
I dream of visiting a peaceful place with nature, somewhere quiet, with fresh air and slow mornings.
That sounds relaxing. I dream of traveling and actually communicating comfortably, ordering food, asking for directions, making small talk, and not panicking.
That's a practical travel dream, and it connects directly to English.
Okay, but here is a problem. Dreams can feel too big. People get excited, then they do nothing.
True. That's why we need another word. Goal. Goals make dreams actionable.
So what's the difference?
A dream is big and general. A goal is specific and measurable. It's a target.
Like, my dream is to speak English fluently, but my goal is to learn 10 phrases this week.
Exactly. Great example. Now, David, what is your goal for this month?
My goal is to practice speaking for 10 minutes every day, even if I make mistakes.
That's a strong goal. My goal is to create more episodes where learners can repeat phrases easily and build confidence step by step.
Step by step. That's another useful phrase for dreams.
Yes, step by step means little by little, not all at once.
Because many learners think they need to be perfect quickly.
And that creates stress. But dreams don't work like that. Progress takes time.
Now, can we teach some dream phrases that people actually use in real English?
Yes, let's do it. Here are some very natural phrases.
Phrase 1. In the future, I want to.
Example, in the future, I want to have a job I enjoy.
Phrase 2. I hope to.
Example, I hope to travel more next year.
Phrase 3. One day, I'd like to.
Example, one day I'd like to start my own small business.
Those phrases feel simple, but they're powerful.
Exactly. And now we should practice with our listeners.
Yes, everyone, repeat after us if you can.
My dream is to.
My dream is to.
In the future, I want to.
In the future, I want to.
My goal is to.
My goal is to.
Great job. And remember, speaking out loud helps your brain learn faster.
If you want, write one sentence in the comments using one of these phrases. We read your comments and we love seeing your progress.
Now, dreams are not only jobs and travel. Some dreams are about lifestyle.
Lifestyle? Like daily life?
Yes, lifestyle dreams are about how you want to live. Maybe you want calm mornings, more freedom, more time with family, or a healthier routine.
That's true. My lifestyle dream is simple. I want to feel proud of my daily habits.
I love that. My lifestyle dream is to work with purpose and still have balance, time to rest.
But sometimes people feel embarrassed to talk about dreams. They think it's childish.
Yes, but dreaming is not childish. It gives you direction, and talking about dreams helps you understand yourself.
Also, it's a great speaking topic. You can ask anyone, what do you want to do in the future?
Exactly. It creates meaningful conversation fast.
Okay, now I want to ask you something practical. When you have a dream, what should you do first?
First step, say it clearly. Even a simple sentence helps. Second step, choose one small goal. Third step, repeat the habit.
So dream, goal, habit.
Exactly. Dream is the direction, goal is the target, habit is the engine.
Nice. That's memorable. Now let's talk about a common fear, failure.
Yes, some people don't chase dreams because they are afraid they will fail.
Like, what if I'm not good enough?
Exactly. And here's a helpful phrase, I'm still learning.
That's a powerful phrase. It removes pressure.
Yes. You can say, I'm still learning, but I'm improving.
I like that. It feels honest.
Now, let's do a mini example conversation that viewers can copy in real life.
Role play time.
Okay, David, ask me about my future dream.
Anta, what is your dream for the future?
My dream is to build a global English community. In the future, I want to help more learners speak confidently.
That's amazing. What is your goal right now?
My goal is to create one helpful episode every week and improve the quality each time.
Nice. And what about me? Ask me.
David, what is your dream for the future?
My dream is to speak English confidently and use it for work and travel. One day, I'd like to communicate easily with anyone.
Great. And what's your goal this month?
My goal is to practice speaking 10 minutes a day and learn useful phrases for real life.
Perfect. That is exactly how people talk in real conversations.
Okay, now it's vocabulary time. Like the budget episode had keywords. We need keywords too.
Yes. Let's review important vocabulary we use today.
Word 1, dream. Anta, what does dream mean?
A dream is something you want very much for the future. Example, my dream is to live in a peaceful place.
Word 2, future. What is the future?
The future is time that hasn't happened yet. Next month, next year, or in 10 years.
Word 3, goal. What is a goal?
A goal is a clear target, a specific step. Example, my goal is to learn 20 new words this month.
Word 4, plan. What is a plan?
A plan is what you decide to do. Example, My plan is to practice speaking every day.
Word 5. Achieve. What does achieve mean?
Achieve means you successfully reach a goal. Example, I achieved my goal by practicing consistently.
Great. These 5 words will help you talk about future dreams in English.
Now, David, can you make one sentence using 3 of these words?
Let me try. My dream for the future is to speak English confidently, and my goal is to achieve it by following a simple plan.
Excellent. Very natural and very clear.
And viewers, please practice too. Write one sentence in the comments using dream, future, goal, plan, or achieve.
Yes, it's a great way to practice your English.
Well, Anta, we covered a lot today. We talked about different kinds of future dreams and how to express them in English.
We really did. This was a long conversation, but it's very practical for real life. Let's summarize what we learned today.
Yes? Let's review for our viewers. Today we practiced how to talk about future dreams in English.
We learned simple sentence starters like, my dream is to, in the future, I want to, and one day I'd like to.
We also learned the difference between dreams and goals, and we talked about how habits help you move toward your future.
And we reviewed key vocabulary: dream, future, goal, plan, and achieve. These words are essential for talking about your life direction.
That's right. So for all of you watching, you now have the tools to talk about your dreams with friends, family, classmates, or even at work.
Dreams are part of everyday life, and being able to talk about them in English is a very useful skill.
Absolutely. And now it's time for our favorite part of the video.
The part where we hear from you.
Yes, we have a question of the day for you. Today's question is, what is your dream for the future? And what is one goal you have for this month?
Great question. Please share in the comments. You can write, my dream is to, my goal this month is to.
Any answer is fine. We want to hear about your life and your future. And remember, when you write in the comments, you're practicing your English.
This is a safe, friendly place to practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
And if you see another person's dream, feel free to respond. You can say, good luck, you can do it, or that's inspiring.
We're so grateful to have this community of English learners. You're all working hard, and that's wonderful.
Learning a language takes time and effort, but with consistent practice, you will get better and better. Just keep going.
So please keep practicing. Try to talk about your dream in English this week, out loud, not only in your head.
And remember to like this video if it was helpful. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Anta English so you don't miss our next conversation.
What should we talk about next time, David? Do you have any ideas?
I think we should talk about goals and habits, how to stay consistent and not give up. What do you think?
That's a perfect idea. Or maybe we could talk about confidence, how to speak even when you're nervous.
Both are great topics. Everyone, please tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next. What topic would help you the most?
Yes, please let us know. We want to create content that helps you learn the English you actually need in real life.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. Thank you for learning and practicing with us.
You are all doing an amazing job. Keep up the great work. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and we'll see you next time on Anta English.